Okay, so if you guys ended up on this video, you know that the Alfa Romeo Giulia is one of the little annoying cars that exist to reset the oil light interval on the dash. Now, typically what happens, you turn on the car, it says oil change needed, and it's a bit of a pain in the butt to get that replaced. So when you're going to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to step on the gas all the way, so until it clicks. Okay, hold that down, never release it during this whole time. Now you're going to hit the brake pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're going to hold it down for 6 seconds approximately, but you can go way over the 6 seconds. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Okay, the gas pedal fully depressed. Still, we haven't let go and we're not going to. Now we're going to turn this on and you're going to see the little oil bar light up, and then from there we're going to hit it again 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to hold down again for 6 seconds. All right, so remember, it's got to be 6 seconds, but you can hold it over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're going to let go of the brake. You can let go of the gas, press the brake to start the car, and then from here you're going to see that no more oil light interval is going to light up on your dash. But in saying that, guys, if you like this video, make sure you comment and subscribe. I'm always making different videos for YouTube, but if you ended up on this video, you know how annoying all the rest of the videos on YouTube are for the Alfa Romeo Giulia. But in saying that, I hope you guys really enjoy your cars. They're amazing cars, and can't wait to keep driving mine for a ton of miles.